Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to share what all Aquarius moon sign and the ascendant can expect in coming 1 year. What all things that you need to be conscious with. Along with this, the remedies that you need to should do to overcome the challenges and the obstacles that you may face. This particular prediction has been taken on the most important four transit that has taken place this particular year. That is a Jupiter, Shani, Rahu, Ketu. How it is going to affect you when coming together and what all you can expect during this time. The good news is that this particular 12 months is not it's a great time for you when it comes to the transformation, because it is a time where you are going to get multiple growth opportunity. Lot of transformation is going to happen in your life. Lot of new things are going to come up in your life. Overall your thinking pattern is going to change, as well as it has been noticed that especially if you're into a business, then you may start a new business and you are going to see a lot of growth into your business too. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So this particular 1 year seems like that your interest in the religious things will be going to increase. You are going to become more. It has been noticed that this is a time where you will be going to do more prayers. You will be connected more to the universe, and lot of your manifestation will also going to fulfill during this time. But make sure that being an Aquarius, you are from the soul family of Saturn. Anyhow, Saturn wants perfection from you. During this time, you may face the obstacles, challenges, and the delays, but there is no deny for you. So if you started working as per the Saturn, this is a time where you can see lot of financial growth. Saturn right now is sitting in your second house, and the Jupiter is sitting in your fifth house for you. And the best part is that right now, both the planets Saturn and the Jupiter is sitting in the dual sign. Like Saturn is sitting in the Pisces, which is a sign of the duality, as well as Jupiter is sitting into the Gemini, which is a sign of the duality. So when such a big planet are sitting in the second and the fifth house and aspecting, this shows that this is a very good time when it comes to do something big in your life. In terms of income, there is a very high possibility of increase in the income. This is a very good time for the students also who are preparing for the competitive examination. There is a very high possibility they will be able to clear that competitive examination. This is a good time for the businessmen who are looking to start a new business, or in the existing business also they are going to see a growth. Challenges and the obstacles may come, delay may come, like there is a problem from the employee's side, or there is a breakdown in the machinery. These type of problems may come, but when it comes to the finances or when it comes to the income wise, you are going to see a growth during this. The money is stuck somewhere, you have given some money to someone, your friends or relatives, and they are not returning you back. This particular 1 year time is a very important time. If you approach back to them, take actions, there is a very high possibility you will be able to get your stuck money back also. There may be the high possibility of a multiple sources of income. Like if you're into a job, there's a high possibility parallelly you may start a new business and you will be started getting earnings from there also. Very high possibility that you will be going to start earning good if you're settled down in the foreign country, or if you're into a business where you're getting the income from the foreign country away from your birthplace. This is a good time when it comes to the financial growth also, as well as if you're looking to buy a new property, or if you want to sell your existing or the old property, then also it is a good time for coming 1 year. If you take actions, you will be able to purchase a new property and even sold an old property also during this time. Seems like that things will started moving positively for you, but being again you are from the soul family of Saturn, and Saturn will always give you that malefic effect to make you a better version of your own self. So you will notice that in every work there will be a delay, there will be obstacles, there will be the challenges, but again there will not be a deny. If you are into a job and if you're waiting for your promotion, then there will be a high possibility of a delay, and the challenges and the obstacles you will be on the words part, you will be going to get a lot of appreciations from your boss about your work. But when it comes in the terms of the finances, maybe you are not going to get the promotion. But try to show the patience. If whatever the hard work you are going to do during this 12 months of time, there is a very high possibility after that that hard work is going to pay off. This is a time where you are going to see that you are going to get lot of positive aspects. Let's say you are not going to get the promotion in your job, then there's a high possibility you may start something parallelly. From there you can start getting the income. Students, it seems like a great time. This is a time where you're going to add on new knowledge and wisdom. If you're appearing in any of the competitive examination, there is a very high possibility that you will be able to clear that examination. This is a time where the Saturn is sitting in your second house. Second house is connected to the money, it is connected to your family, as well as it is connected to the speech. So this is a time where you may notice the differences between you and your family members. Maybe your family member will not understand. This is a time where you may appear in any competitive examination. You will be able to clear the competitive examination, but money is something which is going to come in between that may create the problem in your life. That may make you frustrated or the problem, but there is a very high possibility if you're appearing in any competitive examination, you will be able to clear that competitive examination and you will be able to get a good college and the placement too. This is a time where you need to be very much conscious what you speak, because this is a time you can say any harsh word to someone that can hurt your family or even in the relationship things doesn't seem so great. If you are already in a long relationship, there may be some differences that you may face this particular 12 months of time, but if you are going to show patience, and if you are going to be open, if there is an open communication between you and your partner, you are going to notice that after things will be you will be started noticing the stability in your relationship too. So in this 1 year of time, you are going to face a lot of ups and downs in your relationship, ego clashes, differences, problems, maybe in a no contact situation also, but gradually and slowly you are going to observe that things will started improving in your relationship, and afterward you will notice that you may get engaged or may get married with the one whom you are into love with. There's a very high possibility that you may visit multiple religious places during this time and you will feel a lot of happiness too. This is a time where your interest in the occult science or in Shastra is going to increase. You may start learning about occult science and the Shastra also during this time. Whatever knowledge and the skills you're adding during this time, it is a good for you. After that, you are going to notice that you will be started earning also from this. To enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges, make sure that you are waking up early in the morning. You are praying to Lord Shani, being you are from the soul family of Lord Shani, to make sure that you are chanting Om Sham Shanicharaya Nama. Along with this, for you, the Yog Karak is Venus. As much as you enhance your Venus, as much as you pray to Goddess Lakshmi during this time, you are going to see a lot of positive changes. Keep on chanting Shri. In front of Goddess Lakshmi, you have to light up a rose oil lamp daily during the sunset and pray. There's a very high possibility your manifestation is going to fulfill. Whatever you're going to ask from Goddess Lakshmi during this time, all your wishes will going to come true. So the best is during the sunset, you have to sit near Goddess Lakshmi. Sitting near only, you have to chant Shreem. If possible, try to chant Shreem with a clear quartz mala, and sitting there only, you have to make a wish and light up a rose oil lamp in front of Goddess Lakshmi. Within 45 days, you are going to see a lot of positive changes in your life. A lot of obstacles and challenges will also uh, um, going to be go away from you. The best is if you started wearing the seven mukhi rudraksha. Seven mukhi rudraksha is connected to the Shani. It is going to make your life easy and will be able to remove all the obstacles and the challenges. Start applying the musk perfume. Musk perfume is connected to Lord Shani. If you apply musk, it is going to give you a lot of mental relief and overall improvement in your life. Health wise, things doesn't seems like so great. Take care of your health. Don't take your health for granted. Even don't take your partner health also for granted during this time. For both of you it's a very important to take care of your health, because health wise planets are aligned in such a way it can give you the health related problem, more mental pressure on you. You need to take care of your mental health also. So start doing these remedies. If you started doing these remedies, you are going to see a lot more positive changes in your life. Still, you have any question, you can ask me on the comment. And to look for a personal consultation with me, then you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.